Okay, for today's video, it's all about senatorial balls. It's May 9th, 2025, and I am voting for this senatorial balls since they have not spent that much during the elections and they are represent commonly the common people. Although some of them are party list representative, but I still haven't heard any terms of mischievous activities or any anomalies from them. So we will be voting Franz Castro, uh, Arlene Brosas, Piston Transport Group Moody Floranda, Mimi Domingo of Kadamay, Jocelyn Andamo from Philippine Nurses United, Jerome Odonis of Kilosang Mayo, Mayo Uno, and Anti-Poverty Commission Chairperson Lisa Masa, which is mostly you can hear on the news, with Teddy Casino, Ronel Arambolo, and Danilo Ramos. Also, it's 10, so we need 12. I am voting this one, number 12. That's Rosita Bonifacio, Independent. And I think, yeah, I'm not sure of the number. I think I still owe this one. Senator Pia Cayetano, attorney, cum laude, cyclist, and an advocate of women's health care. One of his pioneer bills is long maternity leave for women. So that's it. That's complete the 12. Yeah, the 12. This is Andamo of Makabayan Block. There's this one. Well, Bam Aquino has a taste of Senate, so I'm not voting. I'm not voting this one. This one. Yeah, I'm voting the Filipino Nurses United. The others, I'm not sure, but yeah, additional of Busita, Bonifacio, and Pia Cayetano. Let's make it 12. For the party list, yeah, this is the 10. For the party list, I'm still thinking about voting again for Akbayan or Bayan Muna. Well, they're doing a great job, especially Nery Colmenares, for reacting about the funds of PhilHealth. So that's it, definitely for party list. That is for the national elections. For the local, well, I'm still thinking about it because here in the city, they're so ill that the mayor and the congressman has no direct political opposition, no rival. So I'm still thinking not to vote. For councilors, yeah, I'm still thinking about it. So that will be to encourage you to vote for this. I'm just encouraging you, but it's still your vote, it's still your choice. But if you want to have some great senators in the long run, vote for someone who did not spend much these elections, because certainly if you vote for someone who spent so much billions for these elections, they will grab the funds needed funds to recover what they have spent.